Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to change the default font and font size in Microsoft Excel. This simple adjustment can personalize your experience and ensure consistency across all new workbooks. First, open Excel and click on the File tab. Then, select Options from the menu that appears. This action will open the Excel Options dialog box. Make sure the General category is highlighted on the left side to proceed. Now, within the General options, find the section labeled When creating new workbooks. Here, you will see the use this as the default font dropdown. Click on it to choose your favorite font style from the extensive list. Next, adjust the font size dropdown to your preferred numerical value. For example, you might select 12 points. The standard default is usually Calibri at 11 points, but you can easily change it to suit your needs. Once you have chosen your desired font style and size, it is time to save your preferences. Simply click the OK button located at the bottom of the Excel Options dialog box. You will then see a prompt informing you that Microsoft Excel needs to be closed and reopened for these changes to fully take effect. Confirm this message to close the Options window. Remember, these adjustments will only apply to new workbooks, leaving your existing files untouched. To finalize the process, you must close all open Microsoft Excel windows and any running Excel applications. Once Excel has completely shut down, reopen it. Upon launching, you will find that any new workbooks you create will automatically adopt your newly selected default font and font size. This simple step ensures a consistent and personalized look across all your future spreadsheets, making your work more efficient and visually appealing. Thank you for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.